So I wanted to show the unboxing of my little Banggood set of cutting tools that I purchased. This is not like a lot of the things that you'll see out there. I wasn't sent these for free to show them to you. I paid my own money for them. Not that I wouldn't take them for free. It's just they ain't offering because I'm a little guy. All right, so this is kind of their variety pack. I've seen some reviews on the different tools that are in here individually. This was 30 some dollars, I think maybe 36 to my door. I'll verify that, but I'll show you what's all in here. These are the various tips that come with it. The advantage of buying the individual tools is that you buy one and you get a whole rack of tips for it. So I wanted to show this real quick because I'm about to use one of these for the first time. I have actually opened this previously. It was all wrapped in plastic and blah blah blah. But let's see. Okay, so you have one boring bar. That's not what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the cutting tool. Another boring bar. I don't know why I keep putting them back in these plastic sleeves. They're not going to live in there. Each one comes with its own little thing. They're packed. Obviously, this is the same pack. If you bought one individually, you would get it in this. This is the tool I'm going to use today. I'm going to try this out. I'm trying to cut some stainless steel bolts off, and my old, traditional rig is. I'm having troubles with it. It's wanting to grab and yada yada. So that's the one I'll be using today. Just want to show you what all's in here. And this, let's see, looks like I probably have two tools that have the same insert in this pack somewhere. So here's one that's just straight. Let's go ahead and get these out of here. Why not? And that looks like it uses one of these inserts. I want to put an order in at Shars, I think, for this. Looks like a threading tool. Oh, I think one of those boring bars took one of the threading tools. I think that's why I have two boring bars. One of them I think is going to take probably this threading tool, which will be awesome. Internal boring capability. Yeah, there we go. So here's the... Well, that's interesting. Why do you suppose I've got these two regular cutting tools that take these kind of pronounced elongated diamonds, and then this one tool that takes the more square insert? I wonder what the logic is for grouping this kit this way. I don't really know that right now, but yeah, let's just go ahead and take them all out for you. There's one boring bar. My cutting tool that I want to use. Here's the other, whoops, boring bar. And yes, this one, that looks like it's shaped to back up the threading tool, whereas this one is meant to go with these inserts here, and this one, whoops, excuse me, yeah, these two are meant to take the same insert. So yeah, I understand this and this. I would have thought the kit might contain another one of these in the opposite, pointed the opposite direction. I don't know why I have this one, but you know, we'll give them all a try at some point. Right now, this guy is going on the lathe. Alright, so here we go. I don't believe there are any instructions with any of this stuff. I'm just gonna do what looks right. Come on. There you go. A little insert. And you should go in here. I don't know how many different sizes. I think this is the largest one. I think this is what I need here. Yeah, they're the same size. Okay. Yeah. So the insert is slightly wider than this backing plate here, which is good. So I'm going to give it as much support as I can by putting it as far back in as possible. I don't know if I want it all the way touching. What do you think? Should I? I think that's what I'm going to do. I tell you, it seems like it needs a lot of force. More than you really want to use something like this to do. T15, T8, T8. Actually marked what the size is. So these are all T8s. T8, T8, T8. Yeah, so they all use either T15 or T8s. So this is a T15, and I'm cranking down on it. Ugh. And it's not locking. So that's a problem. We'll get a more robust tool for cranking down on it, I think, and see if I can make something move here. Make sure I'm not cross-threaded or anything. Let's break it loose. Garbage down inside there. I'm looking underneath my magnifying glass. I don't see anything that would stop it from going all the way through. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of fact that, I mean, it's just the fact that you know, you're bending a substantial piece of steel right here. You need a fairly decent amount of torque. Okay, there is a guide. Okay, look at this. So there's a groove in the insert, and there is a groove at the top of this backing plate. Alright, okay. So that's making a little more sense now. So there is, it's not just flopping there. Alright, that's good. The bad part is, it's really, yeah. Alright, I'll see what I've got that I can exert a little more pressure on that. Alright guys, here's a bench vise, T15 insert. The best thing I can come up with at the moment is a 1/4-inch socket. So let's see what happens. Let me try to turn this. Doop. I think that got it. Got about 1/8 of a turn there on it. And that's as far as it's going. Alright. It feels solid. So strike one against a tool is This and this do not work together very well. But, alright. We worked around it. Let's see how well it actually cuts. Alright, so after this tool failed, I'm going to try the charge tool. And I mean, the other tool got it this far, and then it just started going crazy. I started off trying with this, the new Banggood tool, and it turned out I didn't have the collet tightened up enough. So, take two. Pretty well to me. Alright. Alright, let's try one where we start from scratch. I'm happy. This is great. Alright, so the first tool out of the batch gets a qualified thumbs up from me. My only gripe was that I had to go and get another tool besides the one supplied with it to actually tighten down this holder. But yeah, once installed, this tool works very well. Works better than my high-speed steel contraption. So that'll be, we'll call this episode 1 of reviewing the batch here. I'll install all these inserts, and I'm going to order some more of these Shars holders so that each one will have its own holder, and we'll just start playing with them one by one.